What's up, Dream Media family? It's Zach and Tim from Samsung here with another fresh episode for you. One that I'm extremely excited about, which is anti-glare technology. This has been so needed for so long in our industry with all these massive great rooms. I mean, everybody wants these huge panels, and then they have matching 20-foot windows right off to the side, and they're like, oh my gosh, the glare is horrific. We have the solution. So Tim, give us the lowdown on this side-by-side comparison. I think it was very bold of you guys to put them side by side.
Well, listen, everyone's known Samsung is known for brightness, right?
Yeah.
And deliver a bright room experience, but it's always not been the case when it comes to OLED technology. So that's what we want to show off right behind us here. On one side, we have our flagship model from 2023, right next to our all-new S95D from 2024. And the S95D features the brand new OLED glare-free screen. Now, it's important that we understand this is different than traditional anti-reflection technology. Our S90D actually has anti-glare. But when we look at the S95D, this uses an embossed screen technology that redirects the light in all different directions. So you see no glare, no distracting reflections, even in the brightest of environments. So if you want that OLED experience with deep dark black levels, but you've always questioned, will it work in my room?
Yep.
Samsung has.
Well, that's literally the question that our sales team gets asked every single day. Like, I love OLED, I love that picture, but massive windows.
Yep.
I mean, even my own form, well, maybe we can flash that on the screen at home. Literally, the TV sitting up above the mantle, windows, and then a row of windows, all are about 14 feet high, extending all the way down into the dining kitchen. These open concept spaces are becoming more and more popular, and you want the natural light, but you still want your bright picture. So what I'd like to do next is bring you guys into this space and actually show you they have these fake windows, faux windows, but it does show off really well the anti-glare technology. So you can see right here, let's try to get it on camera for him, Chase. There is horrible glare. And this isn't even a crazy bright window. Like, a lot of the time we're fighting direct sunlight, but you can clearly see it is impeding on the visual impact of your image. Now, let's come over here. I'm kind of describing it as like a diffuser. I mean, yes, you can still see that there's light there, but you're not seeing the harshness of that light. It's toned down dramatically. And that's really the goal. It's for those times during the day where it's just super bright. Before the sun goes over the ridge or goes over your fence, you gotta either close the shades, which we offer motorized shades, or get a technology product like this. All right, Dream Media family, that is a wrap on the Samsung OLED more matte finish. This is anti-glare technology, changing the game in the living room, formal spaces where you have a lot of ambient light. We even have some primary bedrooms where they have some big windows. This is gonna really replace a lot of our QLED installations now that we can deliver OLED technology and anti-glare. Tim, I can't tell you how thankful I am for you giving us a rundown on this amazing technology. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, or you would like to inquire about this technology or televisions in general, reach out today for a free video consultation with one of our specialists. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media, out here with Tim from Samsung. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.